Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Facebook setting, and in this video friends we are going to talk about guys how to turn off Facebook update from friend notification setting. Friends, you don't want to use Facebook update from friend notification setting, so how to turn off one by one, step by step friends we will talk about in this video. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first of all we will turn on Facebook. After turn on Facebook friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. So friends, you don't want to use update from friend notification setting on your Facebook account. So how to turn off? First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook setting. Facebook setting, help and supported setting you want to use, so you can use setting and privacy option. We will tap here. So friends, three option will show on your screen: setting, device request, recent and activities. So friends, we will tap here setting. After turn on setting friends, you want to use your Facebook personal details setting, password setting, so you can use it. So friends, we will tap on notification. After turn notification friends, you can see what notification you receive: comment, tag, reminder, more activity about your notification you want to use, so you can use it. And you don't want to use, so you can off from here. So friends, you can see 1 2 3 4 5, fifth one, update from friend notification. If you tap here, so friends, you can see where you want, where you receive this notification, you can off from here and you can on from here. And you don't want to allow friends, you can see allow notification on Facebook you don't want to use, so you can turn off friends. You can see turn off update from friends notification. So friends, you don't want to use, so if you tap here right side turn off option, so friends your notification will off. If you tap here, notification will off. And friends, you can see these are notification about your friends activity, like when they updated their status or share a photo. For an example friends, you can see your friend updated her status. So friends, now you cannot use your friend update from friend notification. When your friend will update on their status, photos, so you cannot use notification on your Facebook account. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you find out you have any problem on your Facebook account, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye.